Hi, I'm Mohammed Umair Munir, and I'll be discussing the research proposal to study the impact of changing fertilizers composition on chickpea plant production in Wagga Wagga. Hi. Australia has got a big agricultural industry and it has become the second largest exporter of chickpea plants. As such, the impact of fertilizer and the different varieties of chickpea plant being grown in Australia play a key role in the annual yield and production of chickpea. There are many varieties of chickpea plants grown in Wagga Wagga. At the moment, out of these, Desi and Cowbelly are the most famous, but there is a need to explore opportunities in growing different varieties of chickpeas which haven't been trialed in Wagga Wagga and explore if there is an opportunity to improve the production. The chickpea plant production has historically been higher in the northeastern region in Australia as compared to the southeastern regions of New South Wales, which includes Wagga Wagga, using traditional varieties of chickpea. So there is an opportunity to explore new varieties of chickpeas in Wagga Wagga. This research will focus on the impact of nutrition and fertilizers provided to the plant. As such, the impact of increasing the phosphorus contents and varying the ratio between phosphorus, nitrogen, and potassium in the fertilizers on chickpea plant production will be analyzed. The three main varieties under investigation will be trialed with varying ratios of phosphorus with the aim of finding out the best suited variety for Wagga Wagga conditions using the best suited ratio of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in the fertilizer. The three main varieties of chickpea which have been included in this research proposal are Jimboor, Yorker, and Amethysts. These haven't been trialed in Wagga Wagga before, so the research analysis will determine which is the best suited variety for the soil conditions and weather conditions. To do our testing, we'll be using 1,000 hectares of space within a farmland that will be purchased by our group. The planting field will be split into three separate regions to evenly distribute three different types of chickpea plants. Now within the three separate regions, each of the region will consist of four different soil types with different nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus ratios. The four different nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus ratios to be tested in our research include 000, 22.5, 57.5, and 5, 35, 87.5, 0, 57.5, 145, and 0% of NPK ratio. Now these plants will be grown out over a period of 1 year from beginning of January 2023 to the start of January 2024, which is the normal sowing season in Wagga Wagga. The budgeted cost per hectare for this research proposal has been estimated at $530 per hectare. Then there are government regulations and other levies to be imposed, which is roughly around $250 per hectare. So the total cost for this research proposal would be $780 per hectare, as the total area for the research is 1,000 hectares. So the total estimated cost of the proposal is $780,000, and if we include contingencies, it's roughly $1 million over a period of 1 year. The analysis of this research are likely to increase the chickpea production in Wagga Wagga by introducing new varieties of chickpeas which haven't been tried before. It will also result in a potential reduced loss of yield due to improved farming practices, and it will also open new avenues for future research, especially for the other varieties of chickpea plant which haven't been included in this research. Thank you.